Ever wondered why certain websites rank higher on search engine results than others? Well, it's not just about having great content or a sleek website design. It's largely about SEO, or search engine optimization. In the landscape of 2024, SEO is more crucial than ever, and one key aspect of SEO is backlinks. Backlinks are, in essence, the internet's version of a handshake or a nod of approval from one website to another. They are hyperlinks that connect one webpage to another, acting as a vote of confidence or a recommendation. They tell search engines like Google that the content on the linked site is valuable, relevant, and worth ranking higher. Now, imagine a world where the more handshakes you get, the more popular you become. That's kind of how it works with backlinks. However, it's not just about getting as many backlinks as possible, it's about getting quality backlinks from reputable, relevant websites. Think of it as the difference between 1,000 handshakes from strangers versus a handful of endorsements from industry leaders. Which do you think carries more weight? In 2024, Google's algorithms have become more discerning and sophisticated. They not only count these votes of confidence but also assess the quality and relevance of these links. So if your website is about health and fitness, a backlink from a well-respected health blog will carry more weight than one from a site about gardening. The era of black hat SEO tactics, such as link farming and spammy backlinks, is long gone. Today, it's about earning high-quality, organic backlinks from reputable sources. These backlinks not only boost your website's authority, but also increase your chances of ranking higher on search engine results. So, as we navigate the digital landscape of 2024, remember, building a strong backlink profile is no longer about quantity, but the quality and relevance of those links. In our next scene, we'll delve into some effective strategies for building a robust backlink profile, so stay tuned. Now that we understand the importance of backlinks, how do we go about building them effectively? Well, let's delve into some practical and proven strategies. First up, we have guest blogging. This involves writing high-quality articles for established websites within your niche. These articles typically include a link back to your own website. Guest blogging not only earns you valuable backlinks, but also positions you as an authority within your industry. It's a win-win situation. You provide a reputable website with high-quality content, and in return, you earn a backlink and gain exposure to their audience. Next, let's talk about broken link building. This strategy involves finding broken links on authority websites, then reaching out to the site owner to suggest replacing the broken link with a link to your own relevant content. This strategy is a bit more involved, but it can be an effective way to earn high-quality backlinks. Last but not least, let's discuss influencer outreach. This involves partnering with influencers within your niche who can endorse your content to their followers. This not only amplifies your reach, but can also attract organic backlinks, as their followers may choose to link to your content from their own websites. Remember, each of these strategies requires careful planning and execution. Make sure your content is high quality and relevant to the website or influencer you're reaching out to. And always respect the rules and guidelines set by the website or influencer. With these strategies, you can build a robust and relevant backlink profile for your website. But don't stop there. SEO is a constantly evolving field. Stay updated, keep testing new strategies, and adapt your approach as needed. And remember, link building is just one piece of the SEO puzzle. To truly excel in search engine rankings, you need to master all aspects of SEO, from keyword research to on-page optimization to technical SEO. But don't worry, we're here to help you navigate this complex landscape every step of the way. So are you ready to start building those backlinks? Let's get to it. In the digital age, artificial intelligence is reshaping the landscape of SEO. But how does it do that? Well, let's start by talking about AI-powered tools for keyword research. Traditionally, finding the right keywords was a time-consuming process, requiring a lot of guesswork and manual research. But with AI, we can now analyze vast amounts of data in a fraction of the time. AI algorithms can identify trending search terms and long-tail keywords that match user intent more effectively. This means you can tailor your content to match what people are actually searching for, improving your website's visibility and ranking. Next, let's talk about content optimization. It's not enough to just put keywords into your content. It needs to be optimized for search engines. This is where AI comes into play. Artificial intelligence tools can analyze your content for readability, relevance, and engagement metrics. These tools ensure that your content is not only easily digestible for your audience, but also meets the standards set by search engine algorithms. This way, you can ensure maximum visibility and user satisfaction. Now let's delve into predictive link building. In the past, identifying link building opportunities was a manual and often tedious process, but AI has changed all that. Today, you can use AI algorithms to predict future link building opportunities. These algorithms analyze historical data and user behavior patterns to identify potential backlink sources. This can streamline your link building efforts and boost your website's authority over time. So as we can see, AI is not just a fancy buzzword, it's a powerful tool that can dramatically improve your SEO efforts, saving you time and resources. By integrating AI into your SEO strategy, you can stay ahead of the curve and gain a competitive edge in the digital landscape. Leveraging AI in your SEO strategy can not only streamline your efforts but also provide a competitive edge in the digital landscape. AI is more than just a tool, it's a game changer in the world of SEO. Don't miss out on harnessing its power to boost your website's ranking. Let's quickly recap what we've learned so far. The power of SEO and the instrumental role of backlinks in enhancing your website's visibility cannot be overstated. Backlinks, or hyperlinks from one web page to another, are effectively votes of confidence, signaling to search engines the credibility and relevance of your site. In the ever-evolving landscape of SEO, the quality and relevance of backlinks have become paramount, with Google's algorithms now penalizing sites with spammy or irrelevant links. We've also explored effective link-building strategies that can help you build a robust backlink profile. From guest blogging on reputable websites in your niche to broken link building and influencer outreach, these strategies can earn you valuable backlinks and establish your industry authority. But our journey into the world of SEO does not end here. We've delved into the role of artificial intelligence in SEO and how integrating AI into your strategy can provide a competitive edge. AI-powered keyword research can help you tailor your content to match user intent effectively, while AI tools can optimize your content for search engines by analyzing readability, relevance, and engagement metrics. Moreover, predictive link building, which leverages AI algorithms to anticipate future link building opportunities, can streamline your efforts and boost your website's authority over time. We're living in an era where SEO is no longer just about keywords and backlinks. It's about understanding and adapting to sophisticated algorithms, harnessing the power of AI, and delivering content that is not only relevant but also engaging and valuable to your audience. By implementing these strategies and harnessing AI, you can elevate your website's visibility and secure the coveted #1 ranking spot. The world of SEO is complex, but with a solid understanding of backlinks, strategic link building, and AI integration, you'll be well on your way to mastering this digital frontier. Remember, the key to SEO success lies in continual learning, adaptation, and innovation. Stay ahead of the game, and the digital world can be your oyster. We've covered a lot of ground today in the realm of SEO link building. We've delved into the importance of backlinks, the effective strategies to build them, and how to leverage artificial intelligence in your SEO efforts. Now it's your turn to put this knowledge into action. Remember, it's not just about amassing a plethora of backlinks. It's about nurturing high-quality, relevant connections that add value to your audience and boost your website's authority. So start with guest blogging on reputable platforms, repair broken links, and don't hesitate to reach out to influencers in your niche. And let's not forget the transformative power of AI in SEO. Use AI-powered tools for keyword research to tailor your content to match user intent. Optimize your content with AI insights to ensure readability, relevance, and engagement. Predict future link building opportunities with AI algorithms to streamline your efforts and stay ahead of the curve. But remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, patience, and consistent effort to see significant results. So, keep learning, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep optimizing. Before you dive into implementing these strategies, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this information valuable. It helps us reach more people like you who are passionate about mastering SEO. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. We have a plethora of insightful videos lined up to help you navigate the ever-evolving digital landscape. Lastly, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these strategies are you excited to implement? Do you have any SEO tips or tricks of your own to share? Drop us a comment below and let's keep the conversation going. Thank you for investing your time with us today. We hope this video has equipped you with insights to propel your website to that coveted #1 ranking spot. Until next time, happy optimizing.